Welcome to my channel. I go by the name Paul Uwokwe, a real estate expert based here in Enugu, and today I'll be showing you this 3-bedroom bungalow right here in Transekulu Phase 6 Extension, Enugu. You can see it's a very spacious compound, and the features of this house is magnificent. It has a soundproof windows, and these doors, you can see the quality of this door. This is the ante room. Here you have your visitors toilets. In there you have your rooms. But let's go to the sitting room. This is the sitting room, properly ventilated. You can see how spacious it is, and it also have its own dining area that has a door that leads to the kitchen and to the rooms. So here you have your kitchen. You can see the marbles, the doors, then your stores inside there, then the high quality window I was talking about. So let's go to the rooms. You have your room 1, room 2, and masters. So let's check out room 1. You can see properly ventilated with your wardrobes and your WC and bath with water heater, quality materials here. You see, not just to build house and but this, they used quality materials. That's why I like this particular bungalow. And this is the masters. This is the only one remaining. The 3 has been sold, just this one. You can see the masters is spacious. This can enter your king size bed, and you still have space for tables and office tables and the rest. So this is your fittings. You can see high quality materials are used here. So let me walk you around the compound so you can see the other space it has. You can see the space from the entrance. Then let's walk down. So you can see the sit out from the kitchen. Then this is your overhead tank. Then here you still have space here, if you want to walk around the house. If you want to buy this bungalow, all you have to do is call the number on the screen, so we can book you for free inspection, so you can come and see and make payments. Bye bye.